Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we will discuss simple table templates that we prepared for you. If you need to create tables quickly or lack ideas on how they should look like, we hope this video will be of assistance. Let's get started. Navigate to Create a Table and then click on Create a simple table from scratch. Click Next. As you can see, you can create a table from scratch as before, but take a look below. Now, you have the option to choose from different table examples that are already created for you. If you want to preview how they will look on the page, simply click on Show Live. And a new window will open. Since we selected the pricing page, you can explore other examples of pricing tables to find the one that suits your best. Let's go back and create one. Click on Create a Table, and that's it. Your table is created. You can change trial to free, or change 1 to 2 GB. Click on any button and modify the URL or text. Once you're finished with editing, simply copy the shortcode and paste it on your page. If you're using Elementor, you can easily add the wpDataTables element and select the table you want. Following that, your page and table can resemble something like this. Thank you for watching. See you again next time.